Learn how to configure license file management. In order for OpenLM to manage your licenses, you need to configure OpenLM Broker and specify the path to the license files you want to manage. After that, enable the Watch License File toggle and save changes. Open the Broker Hub and go to the Pending Brokers tab. Find and select the broker whose port is previously configured to monitor your license file. Click Approve Brokers to allow it to begin fully monitoring and managing the license file. Open the License Servers and go to the Pending Servers tab. Select the server and port from the pending list that has been configured with the LM port and associated with the desired license file, and approve it. Open License File Management. Here you'll find all your license files in one place. Now you can easily view, manage, and access all your license files.